Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Paramedical Stream. Myself Vandana, MSc Microbiology. Today we are discussing a new subject, microbiology. In that, our topic is the introduction of microbiology. What are the definitions and what is the introduction of microbiology? Today we will discuss about some definitions of the microbiology. Actually, what is a microbiology? Microbiology we'll observe the microorganisms, living microorganisms which cannot be observed with our naked eye. So what is the subject? What is the microbiology? Microbiology. Microbiology is the study of living organisms which cannot be observed by our naked eye under the microscope. So microbiology is the study of living organisms under microscope which cannot be observed with our naked eye. So this is the definition of the microbiology. Now, what is the definition of the medical microbiology? We have many definitions in a microbiology. Now, medical microbiology. There is a difference between a microbiology and a medical microbiology. In medical microbiology, we will observe the infectious disease. What is the reason for infectious disease and what is the causative agent of infectious disease and what is its diagnosis. So in medical microbiology we will discuss about the infection agent. What is infecting the person. So in medical microbiology we will discuss about the infectious agent. Infectious agent. Example, it may be a salmonella which causes typhoid or Vibrio cholera which causes cholera. So about we'll discuss about the infectious agent and diagnosis and his reactions to the causative agent and the diagnosis and treatment. And next we'll have a definition of what is a sterilization. Sterilization is a technique by which we'll made free of microorganisms. We'll made a instrument or a medium free of microorganisms. So sterilization is the making free of microorganisms. It may be in a vegetative form or in a spore form. And next we have a definition of a disinfectant. Disinfectant is used to make free of all pathogens, but all pathogens may not be killed by the disinfectant. Mostly spore form cannot be killed by the disinfectant. And next we have a definition of antiseptic. Antiseptic, by using antiseptic, it is a process by which we can prevent the microorganisms infections. So to prevent the infectious agent, we will use the antiseptic. So these are the small definitions of the microbiology. Microbiology, medical microbiology, sterilization, disinfectant and the antiseptic. In microbiology we have different branches. What are they? Let us see. Bacteriology, protozoology, virology. So What is a bacteriology? The study of bacteria. The study of bacteria is the bacteriology. The study of protozoans is the protozoology. Virology is the study of viruses. Study of viruses. And we have a mycology. Mycology is the study of fungi. So these are the different branches which we will observe in the microbiology, and these are some definitions. So this is the introduction of a microbiology. In next class we'll start with a new topic, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel Paramedical STEM. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, and click the bell icon for upcoming notifications. Thank you.